Hello children, I hope all are good. Are you all doing well? Okay my dear, welcome back to the world of learning. So I welcome you all to the English class. Come on, make it fast. Take your textbooks, take your concerned books and sit in front of the mobile. Come on my dears, take all the necessary things. Yes, very good. So, shall I start? Very good, my dears. I'll start the lesson. But before I start, you have to answer what I have explained in the previous class. Are you all ready? Yes. So, already I have asked in the previous class. I hope you all have learned very well and I hope you all give the answers properly. Now tell me, what was the name of a lion cub? What was the name of lion cub? Lizzie. Very good. Good. Next, what did Lizzie want? What did the Lizzie want? She want a mane around her neck. Who have a mane around their neck? Who have? Her brothers. Am I right? Her brothers have a mane around their neck, so that Lizzie also want to have a mane like them. Right? Okay, next. Who was Osmond? In the lesson, one more name we have read. What is that? Osmond. Can you tell me who was Osmond? Who was Osmond? A wise old ostrich. Very good. A wise old ostrich. Now, what did Lizzie complain to the Osmond? What did she complain? She complained that her brothers have mane, but her head is as bald as an egg. Am I right? Yeah. So this is the part. Till here we have learned in the previous class. I have explained you, and my dear, very good children, you all have learned it properly. I hope so. Now, shall we go to the next part? Very good. Come on, take your textbooks. Open your textbooks. Page number 12. Page number 12. Okay. So, see my dear, this is a continuation of page number 1. See here, after page number 11, we are going to start page number 12 today. Okay. Open your books, page number 12. Osmond looked for a long time at Lizzie's head. First of all, what happened? Lizzie wanted a mane and she went to the Osmond and asked the ostrich that they have mane and I too want mane around like her brothers. Like my brothers, I also want mane around my neck. So, what did this Osmond do? Now, Osmond looked for a long time at Lizzie's head. This Osmond, who is Osmond? Wise old ostrich. Very good. So, this Osmond looked at Lizzie's head for a long time. Then he gave her a bottle of hair tonic and told her to rub it on her head 3 times a day. After looking for a long time at Lizzie's head, Osmond gave her a bottle of hair tonic. Like we apply oil on the hair, this Osmond also gave Lizzie a bottle of hair tonic and asked Lizzie to apply it for 3 times a day. Okay, apply that hair tonic 3 times a day. But it didn't work. This Lizzie taken that hair tonic and went to home and applied for 3 times a day. But that hair tonic didn't work. Isn't it making you balder? Asked her brothers. They laughed at her as they combed their manes. But that hair tonic is not working. So her brothers are laughing at her and saying that hair tonic is making you more balder. ఆ హెయిర్ టానిక్ పెట్టుకుంటే ఉన్నది ఆ హెయిర్ కూడా పోతుంది, మొత్తం బాల్డ్ అయిపోతున్నావు నువ్వు అని నవ్వుతున్నారు. సో దే లాఫ్డ్ ఎట్ హర్ అండ్ combed their manes. Lizzie was angry. I want my money back, she told Osmond. That hair tonic you gave me didn't work. Lizzie got angry and she went to Osmond. She went to Osmond and asked her to give her money back. We'll also do. If we purchase something but it's not working, what we think? Gee, it's not working. It's waste of money. We'll go and ask our money back. We'll think like that. Am I right? So that Lizzie also thought and she did also. She went to Osmond and asked her to give her money back. The hair tonic what you have given me, it's not working. It's not at all working. So give my money back. Who said these words? These words, Lizzie. Very good. Lizzie asked her money back. So Osmond thought hard. All right, he said, at least I have another idea. Osmond thought for a long time. Again Osmond thought for a long time and at last he have an idea. What's that? He got another idea. What's that? And so Lizzie returned home with her head full of ostrich feathers. That idea was, Lizzie went her home back with a head full of ostrich feathers. ఆ ఫెదర్స్ అన్నిటినీ ఆస్ట్రిచ్ ఫెదర్స్ అన్నిటినీ ఒక మెయిన్ లాగా తయారు చేసి ఇచ్చింది. ఓకే, షీ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ హర్ సెల్ఫ్. హూ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ హర్ సెల్ఫ్? లిజీ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ హర్ సెల్ఫ్. అండ్ నౌ షీ హ్యాడ్ అ మెయిన్, at least something like a mane. Why she felt very proud of herself? Now she had a mane because that Osmond gave a mane like ostrich feathers. She tied on ostrich feathers and prepared like a mane and gave it to the Lizzie. So Lizzie felt proud. Now she had a mane, at least not exactly like her brothers, but at least like a mane. Okay, exactly వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్స్ లాగా లేకపోయినా కొద్దిగైనా ఉంది కదా అని ప్రౌడ్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యింది. సో you look funny, laughed her brothers. They followed her around the den trying to grab at the feathers. You look funny, laughed her brothers, saying that you are looking very funny. So if we wear any animal dress, how will we be? Will be funny. Am I right? Isn't it? Yeah. So it's a lion. It's a baby lion, and it have a ostrich feathers. Isn't it funny, my dears? Yeah, it is funny. So her brothers also saying that, laughing at her, saying that you look very funny, and they are chasing her around her den to grab the feathers, to take out all the feathers from the mane from there. They are running around her. Leave her alone, said their mother and chased them out. Leave her alone, her mother said. All her brothers are laughing at her and saying all the words. So her mother came and said, leave that girl alone, leave her alone, and you all go out from here. Leave Lizzie alone, don't laugh at her. Okay, don't laugh at her and don't say any word to her. You leave her alone and go from here. Who is saying all these words? These words are saying by mother. Okay, Lizzie's mother. Okay, now look into your textbooks, page number 12 itself. I'll read the lesson. Osmond looked for a long time at Lizzie's head. Then he gave her a bottle of hair tonic and told her to rub it on her head 3 times a day. But that The tonic didn't work, but it didn't work. Isn't it making you balder? Asked her brothers. They laughed at her as they combed their manes. Lizzie was angry. I want my money back, she told Osmond. That hair tonic you gave me didn't work. Osmond thought hard. All right, he said at last. I have another idea. And so Lizzie returned home with her head full of ostrich feathers. See here, like in this picture. Look at the picture. Like this, she returned home with head full of ostrich feathers. She felt very proud of herself. Now she had a mane, at least something like a mane. You look funny, laughed her brothers. They followed her around the den, trying to grab at the feathers. Now her mother is saying, leave her alone, said their mother, and chased them outside. Okay, so my dears, now I hope you all have listened to the lesson properly. Now I'll ask you some questions. What did Osmond give Lizzie? What did Osmond give? Osmond gave her, what did she give? What did she give? Hair tonic. Osmond gave a hair tonic to who? To Lizzie, and asked to what to do? Asked to rub on hair or head for 3 times a day. Okay, now did the hair tonic work? Did that hair tonic work? No, it doesn't work. It didn't work. Am I right? Did it work? No, it didn't work. Now, isn't it making you balder? Who said these words? Isn't it making you balder? Who said? Her brothers. Lizzie's brothers are saying that hair tonic is making her more balder. Am I right? Next one. I want my money back. Who said this? Who said this? I want my money back. Lizzie said, yes. To whom? To Osmond. Very good. To Osmond, Lizzie asked to give her money back. Okay. Next, I have another idea. Who said this? I have another idea. Who said? When Lizzie asked to give her money back, Osmond said that it has another idea. Who said? Osmond. Next, leave her alone. Leave her alone. Who said these words? Leave her alone. Their mother came and asked her brothers to leave her alone. And what did mother say? Do? She chased all her brothers outside. Okay, this is the lesson, my dear. I hope not the complete lesson, only page number 12. Till now we have completed page number 11 and 12. Okay, we have one more page and we will continue it in another class. Okay, so I'll give you some words on the board. Hair tonic. Balder. Angry. Feathers. loft, chest, alone, funny. See, these are the hard words which I want to give you, but you have to learn the lesson also. Okay. Hair tonic, Hair, hair, Tonic, tonic, hair tonic. Next, balder, Balder, balder. Next, angry, Angry, angry. Feathers, Feathers, feathers. Loft, Laughed, loft. Next, chased, Chased, chased. Alone, Alone, alone. Next, funny, Funny, funny. Okay, hair tonic, balder, angry, feathers, loft, chased, alone, and funny. These are the hard words, my dear. You have to learn all the words which I give. Okay, and then you have to learn the lesson also. Read the lesson. Reading practice is must and should. Okay, your reading should be thorough. And till now we have completed page number 11 and 12. Okay, the remaining part we will continue in the next class. That's all for today. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.